Based on how things are right now, given this gain of, or rather, this intraday high of $1.87 for ASST stock, we think it's not a low float stock, but it's things are really volatile now, and also given the news that it wants to get into Bitcoin and all that stuff, it wants to imitate strategy. Given some of these things, we think it can add one more dollar to its price. We're talking about the projection of about 2.81, and even beyond that, we are looking at the chance of 3.44, 4.08. But do not bank on that. More of those on those projections. If you didn't know what the company does content delivery. It's a U.S. company, a technology company providing social media marketing, management, and content delivery across Discord, TikTok, Instagram, X, YouTube, and social media platforms. The company also designs, develops, and manages servers for communities on Discord. Its services include Discord investment, education, and entertainment, social media marketing, and the AE.30 DDM brand. It also offers Tenari V2, a cloud-based subscription management and payment processing solution for Discord communities, which includes a suite of customer relations management tools and strip verified payment processing. Yeah, yeah. And of late, since the last 1 month, it has outperformed all these other indexes, other indexes here, even though it's underperformed them before now. So up 39.94% since the last 1 month. So coming back to the market hasn't opened yet, so we can only rely on the 4 hour chart. The extrapolation is that maybe in a couple of hours, by tomorrow. Okay, the extrapolation is that strength might remain in place up till tomorrow. I mean, at least up till the whole of today's trading session. But after that, we might see a contraction of this volatility to the downside. We have here. Let's see, what do we have to 1.86? Not anything close to our extrapolation of 2.81, but things can change when the market opens. We're not seeing any upper projections. We are looking at downward projections 0.5911, 0.5724, 0.5609. Nothing to the upside. The news, yes, the news. Let's see. Yeah, let's get that news. It says asset entities solves on deal to emulate strategy Bitcoin playbook. Let's see. Let's see now. Stock trading at 1.8 on cost to hit its highest since January of 2022. Co-agreed to merge with the Strive Asset Management, a unit of Vivek Ramaswamy's financial services firm, Strive Enterprises. Okay, is that a merger we're looking at right now? Will become ASST will become a Bitcoin holding company after the merger, seeking to offer its shareholders exposure to the crypto asset. Company is one of several that has attempted to replicate the microseller strategy. E-commerce from OPEX's shares have jumped fivefold since company announced its Bitcoin pivot last month. Strategy is the biggest corporate holder of Bitcoin, and shares have outperformed the crypto since in 2025. Okay, if yes, so that you can see why I'm insisting on. That's why I wouldn't say I'm insisting. That's why I have those projections: 2.84. Let's see, where are they again? 2.84, 2.81, 3.44, and then 4.08. Because it has OPEX, it has done the same, does not mean that it will be the same for ASST. The gain is now 200%. Yeah, it's let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. But in terms of but before we do that, I have to show you a couple of things. Where things are in terms of let's see now, in terms of market greed. Okay, let's see. We can use this. We can use the. You can see here. This is the 1 hour chart. We can try and bring it down to the 4 hour chart. It's going to help a lot. It's a lot more durable. You can see what's going on here now. You can see the price is currently way outside of its price channel. Um, it's looking really, really, really frothy. So a good buying opportunity will be anything coming in towards this sort of levels 0.84, 0.84. But the chance of that happening may not be there, or may still be there. But as things stand right now, it's a very dicey play. You just have to know what you're doing. Just be careful. You know, fortunately, still at very low prices. The sort you can get involved and maybe put some amount of money that you can afford to lose as things stand right now. So it's a mix of things. Yeah. Let's see now. So as I indicated earlier on, extrapolation is that weakness is going to come back. We're going to retrace from maybe a possible further strength in today's session. You know, let's have a look at its 3-hour chart and see what we have there in play. Yeah, on the 3-hour chart, nothing yet. The reverse to the downside is a contraction to the downside, with the bias to the downside is in play, but not extrapolating any strength in today's session. Do we have upper projections here? Let's see. No upper projections on this 3-hour chart. Okay, we could just quickly jump all the way towards the 1-hour chart. We might see some upper projections. Nothing. Yeah, we have 2.56. Is that an upper projection? No. Yeah, it is an upper projection. 2.56, 2.96, and 3.2. So this the 1 minute chart is reflecting. If you like, it's a bit more. It's more in tune. Naturally, you would expect that it's more in tune to the news. It's more in tune to the news, and some down projections have also just printed now 1.76, 1.71, 1.68. Yeah. So we have those projections 2.81, 3.44, 4.08. No guarantee that that will be the case. But the fact that it's talking about crypto and trying to imitate strategy, it's definitely going to be a stock to watch. It's definitely going to be one to watch. Yeah. The gain is now 200%. Yeah. Let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. What are the odds that it can print some of those? Statistically, the probability of it printing high highs is not there. But it might just be there, like very, very tiny. But it's probably more of this is now beyond statistics. It's now within a case of willingness to make things happen, and yeah, willingness to place it where they want to place it. Willingness to elevate it. Yeah, that's what it's going to be relying on right now. Yeah. So ASST on the move. Gain is now 201.64%. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.